Hey guys, welcome to Couponing. This is Splint Rose. How are you? I'm doing good. Look what I did to my hair. You know I miss my locks. Yep. So I used this curl stuff, Cantu, the stuff I bought the other day from the beauty supply store. I used that in my hair. I don't know. I'll see what it's gonna do. But anyway, guys, I went to Walgreens. Walgreens has a 50% off sale, a 70% off sale, and a 90% off sale on a lot of items. So I really bought a lot of stuff. All right, let me just see if I can get started. I bought these snapped Cheez-Its. I bought 2 bags of these. Let me just get my receipt so I could give you the prices. Okay, it's not on this one. This is another receipt. I think I did like 2 or 3 transactions today. I didn't do everything together. Okay, not this one. I didn't, because I wanted to use the extra care bucks that I was earning. So, no, I didn't do it all together. Okay, so Keebler, these are not Keebler, these are Cheez-Its. Cheez-Its, each one was $1.25. It was reduced from, the 2 of them were, I bought 2. And these 2, I think they were 2 for $8. 2 for $8. But I got each one for, let's see, I got each one for $1.25. So they were 2 for $4. I don't know. That's what came up. But anyway, they took off an additional 50% off. So I got these big bags of Cheez-Its, Snap, it's called, and I got it for $1.25 each. So that's 2 of these. All right. I bought these. These are, I don't know if this is for a dog or if this is for human consumption. And it seems like it's for human consumption because it says it gives you the total fat, saturated fat, cholesterol, sodium, and the total carbohydrates. And then it says that on the go, and it says that you can eat them on the go. You can have it at lunchtime. You can have it at a game and after school. So I would assume that it's not for a dog, but I think it's for a dog because Scooby-Doo is on the cover. Look at that. Let me know what you think, because I don't want to be eating dog food or have my grandkids eating dog food. Anyway, guys, these were $2 each. 4 at $2 for $8. I got four boxes of these with 12 in it for $8. I thought that was a phenomenal price. Okay, the other thing I bought was this here thing here. It's called Swimways. And look at this. This is for, see the baby on it? This baby is in here. This thing is normally $19.99, and I got it for $1.98. And this could either be for my great-granddaughter or for my other great-grandchild. I'm getting ready to have another great-grandchild, which is about to be born. It could be for either one of them. It was only $1.98. So that was a great price. Here, I think I'm going to have to put this stuff down on the floor because I got so much stuff on the table. All right, then the other thing I bought, oh, it's all the way over there. Let me get it. Okay, I told you about these. See, I got 3. And my phone is on the other box. But, okay, so I bought these. Let me show you. Okay. I had to put those back there. Okay. Now, I bought these metallic notebooks, and each one was $1.59. I'm sorry, each one was 59 cents. Look at that. And you know I love journals. You open this up and you can write stuff in here. See on these pages. Okay, these were 59 cents, and I bought 3 of them, so that came out to $1.77 for the 3. So you have one with the silver on it. Then you have one with the gold on it. I have one with the gold on it. So I bought 3 of them. Okay. Then the other thing that I bought was beach cover up. What was that? Printed beach cover up. I don't know. But I want to show you this here too. This is, I'm going to give this to my sons. This thing you put inside like a drawer or on your side table. And you can drop your keys down in here. You can put your wallet in here. Whatever you want. This, and I would say that this is for a male, because I'm going to be giving it to my sons. And it's the Fox Leather Valet. You can put your phone in it in here. It gives you all the little things or ideas of what you can do on the back. Okay, so I'm going to give them one of these, and this little book matches with it. Look at that. That matches. So they're going to get one of these books too. Oh yeah. And my son got a birthday coming up next month. So he's going to get one of those. And I bought the printed beach cover. Let me let you see that. That's over here. I bought 2 of these. I think this is it. Look, I bought this one. Ain't that nice? Bought that one. And I bought this one. They almost look like the same thing. And I bought this one. And they call these beach covers. You see that? I bought 2 of them. And they were 70% off. So that was only $1.79. Or $1.79. All right. Then where is here is the little wubble bubbles. I bought 3 of these wubble bubbles. And these little things were just 49 cents. The kids have a lot of fun. Take your wubble anywhere. You could take it anywhere. It inflates and deflates. Take it anywhere. I got an orange one, a green one, and a pink one. All right, so they were just 49 cents, and they are normally $4.99. So that was a great deal for that. Okay. Oh, the Leather Valet. Oh, they were 99 cents. I said they were $1.99, but they were just 99 cents. That was for these 99 cents. All right, that was great. I thought I paid $1.99 for it, but I paid 99 cents for it. And oh, I got to get up again because I had to put stuff on my table because I just didn't have any room. Toys, glove. Oh, look what I bought. Isn't this nice? And this is gloves. Glover bubbles. You wave and play and bubbles come out. Look at that. You see them waving it and playing with it? And the bubbles are coming out of it. See the package? And inside, I guess, you know, you put it on. Glove A bubbles. Okay? So I bought 1, 2, 3. That's all they had. They had 3. I bought 3. And each one Okay, where is it? Where is it? I just saw it. Oh, each one was 29 cents. Each one was 29 cents for this. So that was awesome. That was awesome. That piece of Sarong. This here thing I bought right here. Let me see. Oh, that's this. I bought this. I mean, you could use it for whatever you want. I might use it to put it around my head when it gets colder, whatever. So they call this a sarong. You wear it any way you want. You can wear it in the summer. You can wear it as a, let me show you. You can wear it like a shawl. See? As a shawl. I thought this color was cute. You can wear it as a shawl. I guess that's why they call it a sarong. And this was just $1.59. All right, I think I told you about everything that's here on the table. Oh, I didn't tell you about the little grate one teether, this here thing. Look, I bought 4 of them. This is a teether. Let's see, is all of them the same color? Yeah, they're all the same color. And let's look at it. They have everything so sealed up so that you don't mess with it. But this is a teether for children. I read what it is. It's the Windsor teether, silicone and wood, non-toxic, no BPA, no, what's that? No, or lead or sustainable recyclable stuff. It's a rattler and teether in one. I'm gonna open it up since I told you. I'm just gonna open it. Take it out. Oh, they got this really packaged. Oh, look at this. The baby could hit itself with that. I don't think so. It's a rattler and a teether. And I can see him him or her taking it and bopping itself in the face with it. I don't think so. I guess he would learn not to put it in it, you know, not to pull it. But you hear this? That could hurt. All right, so these are teethers. Maybe they're just good to look at. Anyway, I paid, for these teethers, I paid 99 cents. I thought it was cute. Just looking at it in the box, I thought it was cute. I didn't take it out and think about, you know, what the possibilities could be. And guess what? I'm not even finished because I got more. They had school supplies and everything reduced at Walgreens. I was asking the cashier, but when did this sale start? And she said, oh, it just started today. I said, are you kidding? And all the stuff is gone like that? And look at this. This plush toy. You remember I just bought one last week to go on that diaper cake I made, and I paid $14.99 for it. Guess how much this was? $1.99. They came all the way down to $1.99. And that's how much this was. Let me see. Oh, I'm trying to find it on my receipt. I know it was here. I just saw it. But oh, there it is. I said $1.99? 99. It's 99 cents. This was 99. I'm gonna let you see this receipt I got. And this was for one transaction. See? I don't know if you can see. Okay. Look. It's all that stuff I bought in one transaction. So, for all of that stuff, guys, I paid, all that stuff came up to $27.70. I redeemed $10 in points. That's all I had on this card. And I paid $19.06. That's with $1.21 in tax out of pocket, which I thought was pretty good. It's an 83% savings. And I saved in money $139.20. And that was my first transaction. I'm going to bring you back to my next transaction. Hold it a second.